This review is on the BAUER 20V Brushless Cordless Variable Speed Oscillating Multi-Tool. It has a 4.8 rating out of 379 reviews on the Harbor Freight website. It has a SKU number of 58379 and a model number of 21101C-B. It is brushless. It has 6 speeds. It has a 2.9 oscillation angle range for cutting and a universal quick change tool head. And of course it has an LED. So let's go over some of that. Your speed selector switches here. You have 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 6. You have, if you turn it on, you have the LED. That was speed 6. You can hold it with 2 hands. Now, what I used in the video I'm going to show you is a BAUER Carbide tooth reduced neck cutting blade. And it is right here. And I will put a link for that in the description. But to insert the blade, let's see. You lift up the lever to open up this all the way. You take the cutting tool and you put it in. Harbor Freight recommends that you put it in straight. You lock it in, push it towards the top, and then you close it and put it into line. Again, you have 6 speeds. You have an LED. That's speed 1. And I have a video that shows you the other speeds. So we're going to move it to setting 2. Pretty decent. Try setting 3. Okay, we're going to go to setting 4. We're going to bump it to setting 5. Oh, I'm going to make sure all good. My personal review of this is with a backstory. I was working for a master carpenter under the table when I was trying to make ends meet, and we used multi-tools. We went to Harbor Freight and got 2 multi-tools, and we were able to do a big job where we were working on the side of a building, cutting it away and resealing up where some leaks were. And he recommended that we use a couple multi-tools. So as soon as I had the money, the first thing I did was went out and bought a $15 or $20 multi-tool from Harbor Freight, just because they are so useful to have. So just from the little bit of video you see of me testing this out, I would definitely give this at least a 5-star rating for now. But to be fair, I can't really say because I haven't used this tool enough. But I can say that if you do not have a multi-tool, it is probably one of the most valuable tools you can have out of power tools.